Welcome to our channel, where we unlock the secrets of living the ultimate adventure. The digital nomad lifestyle. Imagine waking up to the sound of crashing waves, feeling the warm sand between your toes, and diving into your work while surrounded by nature's beauty. It's not just a dream. It's the reality for those who have embraced the digital nomad lifestyle. In this video, we're going to take you on a journey that will transform the way you work and travel forever. We'll share insider tips, inspiring stories, and practical strategies to help you become a digital nomad, empowering you to live life on your own terms. Whether you're seeking freedom from the traditional 9-to-5 grind, yearning for endless adventures, or simply craving the thrill of exploring new horizons, this video is your gateway to a life of limitless possibilities. But here's the best part: you don't have to be an expert or have a special skill set to join this extraordinary tribe. All you need is the desire to break free from the ordinary and a willingness to embrace the unknown. From bustling cityscapes to remote tropical paradises, we'll guide you through the best destinations and reveal the secrets of finding affordable accommodations, connecting with fellow nomads, and thriving in any environment. Along the way, we'll introduce you to real-life digital nomads who have turned their dreams into reality. They'll share their inspiring stories, lessons learned, and invaluable insights to help you navigate the challenges and maximize your own potential. So, if you're ready to trade cubicles for sunsets, deadlines for endless possibilities, and office politics for a global community of like-minded individuals, then buckle up and get ready for the adventure of a lifetime. Because the digital nomad lifestyle is not just a trend. It's a movement that's transforming the way we live, work, and experience the world. So hit that subscribe button, turn on notifications, and join us as we embark on this exhilarating journey together. Let's dive into the world of digital nomads and unlock a life of freedom, adventure, and endless possibilities. Let's get started. Whether you're dreaming of a location-independent lifestyle or already on your way, this comprehensive guide will help you navigate the challenges and embrace the opportunities that come with being a digital nomad. Understanding the digital nomad lifestyle. What is a digital nomad? Exploring the concept and the benefits of working remotely. Debunking common myths and misconceptions about the digital nomad lifestyle. The rise of remote work and the increasing demand for digital nomads in today's job market. Building a foundation for success. Assessing your skills and identifying remote work opportunities. Strategies for transitioning from a traditional job to remote work. Developing a portable skill set that caters to the digital nomad lifestyle. Essential tools and resources. Must-have gadgets and equipment for digital nomads. Essential software and apps for productivity, communication, and organization. Online platforms and marketplaces for finding remote work and freelance opportunities. Choosing the right destinations. Factors to consider when selecting digital nomad destinations. Exploring popular digital nomad hotspots and hidden gems around the world. Budgeting and cost of living considerations for different locations. Navigating the practicalities. Managing finances, taxes, and banking as a digital nomad. Finding suitable accommodation options and dealing with visas and legalities. Overcoming common challenges and maintaining work-life balance on the road. Connecting and networking. Building a support system and connecting with other digital nomads. Joining online communities, forums, and social media groups for networking opportunities. Attending digital nomad meetups, conferences, and co-working events. Developing a nomad mindset. Becoming a successful digital nomad requires more than just practical skills. In this section, we'll explore the importance of developing a nomad mindset. We'll dive into topics such as adaptability, resilience, self-motivation, and embracing a growth mindset. Learn how to navigate challenges, stay focused, and cultivate the right mindset to thrive in the nomadic lifestyle. Balancing work and travel. One of the biggest perks of being a digital nomad is the ability to travel and explore while working. However, maintaining a balance between work commitments and adventure is crucial. In this section, we'll share strategies for managing your time effectively, setting boundaries, and maximizing your productivity while still making time for incredible experiences in each destination. Overcoming common challenges. The digital nomad lifestyle comes with its fair share of challenges. From dealing with loneliness to managing unpredictable work schedules. We'll address common hurdles and provide practical solutions. Learn how to cope with isolation. Handle time zone differences, troubleshoot technical issues, and maintain a healthy work-life integration. Staying connected and productive on the road. Reliable internet access and productivity are crucial for digital nomads. We'll explore strategies for staying connected while on the move. Finding reliable Wi-Fi hotspots. And ensuring your digital toolkit is up to par. We'll also dive into techniques for staying focused and motivated, managing distractions, and maintaining a healthy work routine in unfamiliar environments. Financial management and remote income streams. Managing your finances and establishing sustainable income streams are vital for long-term success as a digital nomad. We'll cover budgeting tips, financial planning, and strategies for creating multiple income streams. We'll explore various remote work opportunities, freelancing platforms, and ways to diversify your income to ensure stability and financial independence while living the nomadic lifestyle. Navigating health and well-being. Taking care of your physical and mental well-being is essential when you're constantly on the move. We'll discuss maintaining a healthy lifestyle while traveling, finding gyms or fitness options, accessing healthcare in different countries, and strategies for managing stress and practicing self-care as a digital nomad. Now that you have a comprehensive understanding of the key aspects, mindset, and strategies involved, it's time to take action. In this final section, we'll recap the essential steps you need to take to embark on your digital nomad journey. We'll provide you with a roadmap to help you plan your transition, set goals, and start your incredible adventure as a digital nomad. See you in the next video.